Ciao! Welcome to Viet Language channel and let's practice Vietnamese together. Today we are going to learn how to say colors in Vietnamese. The word for color is màu. Màu. And you will see this word again before every color name that is coming up. Red is màu đỏ. Màu đỏ. Orange is màu cam. Màu cam. Yellow is màu vàng. Màu vàng. Pink is màu hồng. Màu hồng. Purple is màu tím. Màu tím. Green is màu xanh lá. Màu xanh lá. Blue is màu xanh dương. Màu xanh dương. Cream is màu kem. Màu kem. Gray is màu xám. Màu xám. White is màu trắng. Màu trắng. Black is màu đen. Màu đen. If you want to say a black shirt in Vietnamese, you say áo màu đen. Áo means shirt. Màu đen means black. In English, you say black shirt, but in Vietnamese, the order would be reversed. You would say shirt and then black. Áo màu đen. Another example is if you want to say red apple, you would say táo màu đỏ. Táo, apple, màu đỏ, red. Táo màu đỏ, apple, and then red. Okay, that is how you say colors in Vietnamese. If you learned something from this video, then please like and subscribe to Viet Language channel for more Vietnamese lessons. Cảm ơn!